Hello everyone, welcome back to BORG Tutorials. I am Sanyokta Baghel, your ultimate guide for BORG ERP account setup. So today I am here to guide you few basic simple steps so as to how can you activate license to any of your disabled user or any of your user which is in expired status. So without wasting time, let's go to side menu bar in user management. For activating the license, we need to check the status of the user to which you are assigning license. So click on user management, and here we come in user management table. Here you can see all details of every user, and you can see the status as well. So I am picking this serial number 9, Mohan Singh, for activating license. It is showing the disabled status. So click on edit option and we will land here in the detail page. So from here you can see all details which I have already mentioned in my previous video. So skipping that, I am coming to the license key. Here you can see there is no license key displaying here. So when I will click on this, it is showing a drop down and licenses are reflecting here. A few licenses are reflecting here. We need to select any of one of them to assign a license key to this user, that is Mohan Singh. So right now expiry date is also not reflecting. When I will click on this list, eventually automatically license expiry date will be shown. Now this particular user is assigned this particular license key and the expiry date is this one, that is 31st of December 2023. And now we need to update user. When I will click on update user, it is showing this designation to be filled up. So I will fill up this designation and now I will update user. So by clicking on update user, it will eventually license will be activated and this particular user or the employee will be active in this particular BORG ERP account. So this is the process by which we can activate a license to a user which is in disabled status or expired status. One more thing I will like to share with you is KB BORG, that is knowledge base for all sorts of queries which you have at your end. So you can come here, you can see all sorts of FAQs, tutorials, live demo, and we have all details as well. You can search your query from here and you will get the 99% solution to all these problems. So thank you very much.